Hey sisters and brothers, let's get into the product Christmas commission bundle. Okay, so this is the dashboard and I am in the members area now. In this video I will show you the product from inside and I will give you a detailed review, detailed knowledge about this product. And also my second purpose is to show you my bonuses. On the title I have mentioned the bonus value, a decent bonus value, kind of $6,397 custom bonuses, but my bonuses are more than this cause. I will tell you the cause and I will clear everything. The bonus part I will clear on the later part of the video, and I will start with the product now. Okay, so this product is kind of a bundle, and inside the bundle you will get 15 products, 15 softwares. Okay, so let me start with the product owners. So these guys are the product owners. Okay, let me show you the face. So these three guys are the product owners and they are very renowned and very popular marketer, and they have launched so many products before. And most of the product, not most of the, kind of almost all of the products are related to online earning niches. And inside online earning niche they have launched so many products previously on the past, and they are now giving you all of the products inside this product, okay, as a package. Okay, so there all of the products are kind of near about costs like $20 or $30 or maybe 14 bucks, and all of the products are given to you now totally free once you have brought this product named Christmas commission bundle. Okay, so let me start with the product now. So this is the dashboard. There is nothing much to show you inside the dashboard, and these are the upsells, and this is kind of quotient and bar chart ratings. And the next option is registration, upgrade, free traffic. I will clear the free traffic you also, and this is the upgrade and this is help. Okay, let me start with now registration. Okay, once I have clicked on registration, it is showing me a bar, a search bar or a option bar. Okay, so these are the products, exact products which will be given to you inside this tool. Okay, so there are 14 products. If you count here, there are 14 products are given here, but they are claiming that 15 products will be given to you. I will show you which product is not mentioned here but will be given on your purchased version. Okay, so 14 products are here. Let me start with any of them. Let me click DigiFunnel Lab. Once I have clicked here, they are showing me, they are saying me to put my name. Let me put any of my name. Let me put my email ID. Okay, any email ID I can put here. Okay, let's just copy it and paste it. Let me put any password here. Okay, I have put a random password, and they are saying me that my registration is complete. Let me start with clicking this link. By clicking this link, let me click on this link, and once I have clicked on this link, they are just loading. I think this is not showing anything me here, but maybe they are loading inside and hiddenly. Okay, so let me put the email another time. Like let me put the password. Okay, once I have put the password, this is taking time, and this product is given to me. Okay, so DigiFunnel is kind of a e-cover creator, ebook cover creator, a report creator, a review product creator, and done for you funnels, my funnels, everything will be given to you inside this product. Okay, inside dashboard, this tool can provide you ebook, videos, audios, graphics, softwares, WordPress plugin, and WordPress theme also. You can get DigiFunnel WordPress plugin. Okay, so this is DigiFunnel, and there are 14 products are remaining also, and those products have their virtue, or not virtue, their random features. Okay, and I will clear you the features of all of the product, and inside ratings I will tell you everything. Okay, so this is the main thing inside this product, this registration button, and inside registration button you will get all of the product, and you can easily access them, and you can make your website, your affiliate marketing very easily. So let me now start with free traffic. Inside free traffic, this guy is inside this video. This guy will will say you that he will give you inside this fourth step. Okay, so inside these steps you have to you have to fill up a form. Okay, so after filling up a form with your email IDs, your name, this guy will help you. Assuredly this guy will help you, and they have and this guy has told inside this video. If I play the video, you can see here, but I don't like to play the video here. Okay, so this guy will say you that he will give you daily 100 to 200 traffics from his traffic. Okay, so basically you are getting a pie from his cake. Okay, nothing much to say about it. This is like a crazy offer, and you can get kind of free traffic from him. Okay, now let me start with the review, ratings, and also upsells, and also my bonuses. Okay, so this is a meme created by me. Why on this Christmas, why should you take a single gift, or else you are getting the whole bundle? Okay, so basically you are getting 15 plus best selling apps, and within a price of one or maybe more less than a one. Okay, so this is the cover image, and so these are the ratings. The staffs are given inside this. I have given 98%. Basically I want to give it 100%, but it was not possible. I will clear you that why I have not given 100% inside it. So this is a staff given 98%, and in performance it has got 98%, which is brilliant. In ease of use it has got 94%, and value for money 98%, because there are so many softwares are among these all together there. That's why I have given ease of use 94%. Okay, and market hits it has got 94%. So overall it has got 9.7, which is pretty much superb. And this is the overall rating, and this is ease of use. All I have cleared here. Okay, so this is the product pricing. You are getting this product within 14 bucks, only not 14 bucks, kind of 15 bucks. Okay, so this is a launch period. After launch period, this product will the price will be on dime sale, and they are giving you also 180 days money back guarantee. So what else you need? You can use the product with kind of 6 months with money back assurance guarantee. Okay, so this is rather telling it a kind of product what is Christmas commission bundle, rather telling it like that. I would, instead of that, I would prefer to say that what you are getting inside this package, what stuffs are you getting inside this package. Okay, so question should be that. So this is the stuffs like commission shortcut. This is affiliate bonus funnel page creator, and DigiLab product I have showed to you. This is ebook creator, report creator. So commission funnels, if you watch properly, if you notice properly, okay, you can see that commission shortcut, commission funnels, they all are kind of funnel page, kind of bonus funnel pages. So that is why. And also let me show you from here. So this is a done for you affiliate funnel page, commission replicator, and also maybe more. Okay, so Magic Funnels is also a funnel page creator, funnel creator, bonus funnel creator, or landing page creator. Okay, so that is why kind of same products. Okay, so some of them are same products, kind of same. That is the cause to giving it 98%, and this is the main cause. Okay, and you can check out all of the 15 products from here, and this is the product, this is the exact product, Triple Traffic Bot. It's not given inside this registration section. Okay, so let me show you another time. This is called this is asking me for login, so I rather I can avoid logging now. So Triple Traffic Bot was not given there. You can check out from this image. Here is not given Triple Traffic Bot, but it will given to your on your purchase version according to the vendor. Okay, so these are the vendor, and in my words, I highly recommend any affiliate earner, any affiliate marketers to get this tool, to purchase this tool, because you are getting insanely a massive bonus value and good package. Okay, so that is why I highly recommend any affiliate marketer to get this tool, any online earner. Okay, So this is a sales funnel, and I have never seen such kind of sales funnel ever. So this sales funnel is really be very much very long. Okay, so this is the front end product I have covered up, and the next one is Xmas Unlimited, which costs $67 and also a downsell $37. So downsell and upsells are pretty much same, kind of same, 97.47, 97.47, and you can check out exact all of the upsells by visiting this page. I don't want to waste my and also waste time and also make the video lengthy. Okay, so these are the bonuses, and this was my main purpose, one of my main purposes, to show you the bonuses. So let me show you the bonuses. So there are so many bonuses, as you can see. I am scrolling down and they are not ending, and I have given so many bonuses. But let me give you the surprise here, that after 50 bonuses I have put here 300 plus bonuses as mega bonuses. That means you are getting 350 plus bonuses, 50 plus 300, total 350 plus bonuses from my site, totally free. I have put here this 50 as an example, and you are getting same kind of bonuses like softwares, plugins, SEO stuffs. Okay, so case studies, video case studies, and free images, kind of 10,000 plus images, 25 musics, loop musics, licensed free, totally from my side, totally free from my side once you have brought the product, which costs only 15 bucks. Okay, so what you have to do, that don't forget to do this, that after purchasing the product you have to go through your purchase history on your Warrior Plus account. Inside the purchase history button you will get this blue button, affiliate access bonus, and via this bonus you will be redirected to my bonuses, to your which is named as affiliate bonuses. So that is the bonuses I was talking about, and I also have given the review of this product. So I am signing out for the day, and so bye bye.